আমি গান শুনছি। I am listening to music. I am listening to music. সে বই পড়ছে। He is reading a book. He is reading a book. আমরা রান্না করছি। We are cooking. We are cooking. তুমি কি লিখছো? তুমি কি লিখছো? What are you writing? What are you writing? আমি পানি ঢালছি। I am pouring water. I am pouring water. সে চা খাচ্ছে। She is drinking tea. She is drinking tea. আমরা খেলনা নিয়ে খেলছি। We are playing with toys. We are playing with toys. তুমি কি ডাকছো? Are you calling? Are you calling? আমি দাঁত মাজছি। I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. সে হেসে উঠল। He laughed. He laughed. আমরা ঘুরতে যাচ্ছি। We are going for a trip. We are going for a trip. তুমি কি ছবি আঁকছো? Are you drawing a picture? Are you drawing a picture? আমি কম্পিউটার ব্যবহার করছি। I am using the computer. I am using the computer. সে গান শিখছে। She is learning a song. She is learning a song. আমরা খেলা দেখছি। We are watching a game. We are watching a game. তুমি কি নাচছো? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? আমি দরজায় কড়া নাড়ছি। I am knocking at the door. I am knocking at the door. সে চিঠি লিখছে। He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. আমরা বাজার যাচ্ছি। We are going to the market. We are going to the market. তুমি কি গাইছো? Are you singing? Are you singing? আমি কলা খাচ্ছি। I am eating a banana. I am eating a banana. সে ফুল তুলছে। She is picking flowers. She is picking flowers. আমরা সাইকেল চালাচ্ছি। We are riding bicycles. We are riding bicycles. We are riding bicycles. We are riding bicycles. তুমি কি হাসছো? Are you smiling? Are you smiling? আমি কাপড় ধুচ্ছি। I am washing clothes. I am washing clothes. সে ব্যাগ গোছাচ্ছে। He is packing the bag. He is packing the bag. আমরা কথা বলছি। We are talking. We are talking. তুমি কি শুনছো? Are you listening? Are you listening? আমি কফি বানাচ্ছি। I am making coffee. I am making coffee. সে ফোন ধরছে। She is answering the phone. She is answering the phone. আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি। I am sleeping. I am sleeping. সে লাফ দিচ্ছে। He is jumping. He is jumping. আমরা হাসছি। We are laughing. We are laughing. তুমি কি পড়ছো? Are you reading? Are you reading? আমি জুতা পরছি। I am wearing shoes. I am wearing shoes. সে ব্যায়াম করছে। She is exercising. She is exercising. আমরা গল্প বলছি। We are telling stories. We are telling stories. তুমি কি লিখে ফেলেছো? Have you finished writing? Have you finished writing? আমি বল কিক দিচ্ছি। I am kicking the ball. I am kicking the ball. সে মাছ ধরছে। He is catching fish. He is catching fish. আমরা ছবি তুলছি। We are taking pictures. We are taking pictures. তুমি কি হাঁটছো? Are you walking? Are you walking? আমি বাতি জ্বালাচ্ছি। I am turning on the light. I am turning on the light. সে জানালা খুলছে। She is opening the window. She is opening the window. আমরা বই বদল করছি। We are exchanging books. We are exchanging books. তুমি কি দৌড়াচ্ছ? Are you running? Are you running? আমি চাবি খুঁজছি। I am looking for the key. I am looking for the key. সে গান শুনছে. He is listening to music. He is listening to music. আমরা খাবার ভাগ করছি. We are sharing foods. We are sharing food. তুমি কি ফোন করছো? Are you calling? Are you calling? আমি পাখি দেখছি. I am watching birds. I am watching birds. সে জুতা খুলছে. She is taking off shoes. She is taking off shoes. আমরা গাড়ি ঠেলছি. We are pushing the car. We are pushing the car. তুমি কি খুঁজে পেয়েছো? Have you found it? Have you found it? আমি মেজে মুছছি. I am cleaning the floor. I am cleaning the floor. সে হাত ধুচ্ছে. He is washing his hands. He is washing his hands. আমরা পানি আনছি. We are bringing water. We are bringing water. তুমি কি চশমা পরেছো? Are you wearing glasses? Are you wearing glasses? আমি ফোন চার্জ দিচ্ছি. I am charging the phone. I am charging the phone. সে ফল কাটছে. She is cutting fruits. She is cutting fruits.